In this video we will discuss about what is the difference between the Python 2 and Python 3. One of the main reason to stick with Python 2 is if you are interested in working with large database that was written in Python 2. Secondly, while moving a large application written in an older version of one language or rewriting it in another language altogether can be massive undertaking. There are lot of reasons to use Python 3 in 2020. The first reason to use Python 3 in 2020 is that after 2020 Python 2 will not be longer maintained, and Python 3 has best learn practices because Python 3 have upgrades which are not available in Python 2. Next is it is easy to write because Python 3 has elegantly modified its structure, so it takes fewer lines of code to execute an action. There are some grammatical differences exist between Python 2 and Python 3 which can lead to frustrate beginners. So I request all of my viewers to, when we start our syntax part, be concentrated to avoid syntax confusion. Next is statement. So both the versions have different print statement syntaxes. In Python 2, to print a string, we use books are my love like this, and in Python 3 to print a string we need to use bracket books are my love like this. Here is one more difference. In Python 2, if we want input, we use here raw input as you can see on the screen, entered value, and in Python 3 we use input. So Python 3 is a modified version of Python 2. That's why it is very famous and convenient language. In next video we will discuss about the applications of Python 3.